Hey guys, how to make your Google Chrome homepage background a GIF. I'll show you two ways. The first way is how to make it manually without extensions, and the second way, how to make a background using Google Chrome extension, as you see in this example. For this you need to download any GIF image. For example, you can find it in Google, and after that click New tab, and if you haven't these extensions, let's turn off it, and in right bottom corner you see Customize Chrome. Click and then choose Upload from device. After that choose your image, for example this, open, and we see our new GIF image. And the second way we can install Google Chrome extension. For this, click three dots, then choose More Tools and Extensions. We are in Google Chrome Settings, in Extensions, click Menu, and here click Open Chrome Web Store. In Extensions, find Live Wallpapers, and we see the first extension with 8000 marks. It's that we need. Click, then click Add to Chrome, add extension. It was download. After that we see our new live wallpaper. Let's start. Okay, I got it. And we can remove these widgets. For example, we can click Settings of this extension, live wallpaper, then click Configure Settings, and here turn off all these blocks. For example, these tasks turn off, meditation turn off, focus turn off, clock turn off. Let's return. For this, click New tab, and we see only image and Find Row. Also we see Weather widget. We can disable it. For this, choose Weather and disable. New tab, and it's minimal design of our Google Chrome homepage. It's a very quality GIF image, and we change it. For this, click Settings, and there click Live Backgrounds. Here we can choose any background. For example, this fireplace. Click Install, Full HD. It is installing, and then we can view our theme. Click New tab, and it's our new theme. Leave me a comment, please. What's the picture you want to add on your Google Chrome background? See other videos on the channel, subscribe to the channel. Good luck and goodbye.